Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to discuss the Royal Mint's quality control issues. Now for those of you that have brought coins from the Royal Mint in the past will know that they have a very big problem with milk spots. Now it's such a shame because they do produce some really nice coins, and I do think their Britannia is one of the nicest coins out there, and it's got the most security features out of all the bullion coins currently on the market. However, their quality control and their milk spotting just really is a big off put for me. Now I'm going to link a video in the description below to Metalhead Stacker's video that he recently uploaded about the Royal Mint's Britannia coins and how he won't be buying any more going forward. And to be honest, I'm on the same page as him. Every single coin you can see that I've got on display here today are coins that do not have milk spotting issues, and they're from different mints around the world. None of these coins have the milk spotting issues. I know the silver maple used to have milk spotting issues, but I think after 2011, I believe, they solved it. And these American silver eagles don't have milk spotting issues, neither do coins from the Perth Mint. And like I said, now the Canadian maples, they don't have the milk spotting issue either. So it's a real shame that other mints are able to solve that problem, but the Royal Mint have not been able to solve the problem. So as you know, I have been collecting the 2023 Silver Britannias purely because I like the idea of having 10 of the queens and 10 of the kings. But once I have completed this tube, I will no longer be buying Britannia coins. Now that is a strong statement to make, and I choose to stand by it because there are so many mints, like I said, that are out there that are producing such good quality silver without the milk spotting issues that I don't have to go to the Royal Mint. And it's a shame because the Royal Mint is my country's mint. I'm from the UK, and therefore it is capital gains tax exempt. However, I'm willing to take that gamble in the future and make it a little bit more complicated for myself when I come to sell. I won't be able to sell in one hit. I'll have to sell in stages. I have to sell over a course of a number of years. But that is what I've chosen to do because I'm not willing to buy any more coins. Look at that one, for example. Absolutely ruined by milk spots. 2023, this one. And it's already absolutely ruined. It's just such a shame. And like I said, there's so many mints out there that don't have this problem. Why is it the Royal Mint can't solve it? So, like I said, I won't be buying any more Silver Britannias after I get the 10 with the king on the back to complete that tube. I need to complete the tube, so that's why I'll be buying those 10. I'm also signed up to the Tudor Beast series, and they are proof coins, and so far I haven't seen the issue with milk spotting on any proof coins. If any of you have seen the same milk spotting issue on proof coins from the Royal Mint, I'll be interested to hear in the comments below. But personally, I haven't had any proof coins that have that issue, which just goes to show they can do it, but they just don't want to take their extra time and effort to solve the problems with the bullion coins. So which is a real shame. So I will be finishing the Tudor Beast series because I'm actually signed up to that. I'll also be finishing the Harry Potter series, which has only 2 coins left to go. I'll be completing that as well because again, that's proof and I'm signed up to it. However, going forward, once I've brought my 10 2023 Britannias with the king on them, and once I've completed the series of the other ones I just mentioned, I will no longer be buying any silver coins from the Royal Mint. And that is, like I said, because there is so much better quality silver out there to buy. Yes, it's going to complicate things when I come to sell in the future with capital gains tax because it's not my currency. But I'm just sick to death of having silver coins that after a few months just tarnish so bad. Look at that, just milk spots all over it. It's just such a shame. I know they're bullion coins, but still there's no excuse for it. These are bullion coins, they don't have the same problem. These are classed as bullion, they don't have the same problem. There's lots of different bullion coins out there that do not have the problem of milk spotting. So until the Royal Mint address that and resolve it, I will be joining Metalhead Stacker and I will not be buying from the Royal Mint. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos and I hope you have a nice day.